Do you kiss in your networking? Let me explain. My name's Edward Plan from the Business League. We've been running it for 6 years. It's been in its 11th year on the Gold Coast, and we do business breakfast and networking stuff for Gold Coast business owners. And so I've been talking to a couple of members over the last couple of days, and this KISS came up. Now, KISS isn't do you walk into networking events and kiss each other. No. We're not that kind of organisation. But KISS is around, and it's from my time in the army, keep it simple, stupid. And in the army, we had to take complex problems and make them simple so that everybody on the ground could run out the solution and achieve the mission, even when they were getting shot at. So do you keep your networking simple? And the reason I raised this is I was talking to a couple of members just the other day, and they were all getting into lead generation and landing pages and all this other stuff. And I'm like, that's great if your business is able to do it, if you have the resources, the time and the money to do it well. And I said to them, are you doing this? And they said, no. I said, are you doing this? And they said, no. And they were two really simple strategies that didn't cost a fortune. One of them was free and the other one was the cost of a coffee. And so I think you need to keep your networking simple. Go back to why does networking work? It works because you build a relationship, people like you, and they trust you. And then if you have those three, you will build and get business. Without those three though, you won't get any results from your networking. So keeping it simple is how are you going to build a relationship with the right people for your business? Coffee is a really good way. Phone calls, simple, no travel time. Arrange a Zoom meeting, a video conferencing chat. You can both bring your own coffees, but keep it simple and look at how to generate and build relationships easily. So that's the first one. The second one was specifically for our members, and that was engaging on the online members platform that we have, where people can talk and share and ask and do all that sort of stuff. For you though, if you're not a member, it's around what are the platforms through social media that you can build relationships with. Who is one of your strategic partners or potential clients that you can engage with on a regular basis through the social media platforms. So two really simple ways of keeping your networking simple, getting it back to grassroots and keeping it clean. So I hope that's been helpful. If you want to come and meet actual business owners and network, then we'd love you to come along to our event. We have one on the first Wednesday of every month. So if you want to know when the next one is, just comment below and we'll get you the details. My name's Edward Plan from the Business League, and we're all about keeping things simple.